Hey there, today we're going to look at how to get your very own API key from stockninja.io. So I'm just going to go straight into it. First, you want to head over to our website, stockninja.io. And then on the left side of our menu, you will see the sign up button. You'll need to create an account to get your own API key. So just click on that, fill in your details, and create your account. Once you created your account, you'll be redirected back to the home page. Over here, what you want to do is once again look at the main menu. Under your name, click on Settings. On the Settings page, look for the API Key tab. Just click on that, and your API key will be listed directly on that page. Just copy, paste it to wherever you need to. Just a reminder to keep your API key private to yourself. We don't recommend sharing it. Think of it as sort of your password to your account. Thanks for watching the video and hope you have a nice day.